This is Home Inspector M.D. Today's short tip is to label your breakers in the electrical panel. It's actually common to see electrical panels labeled incorrectly. Most even have no labels, are incomplete, or just unreadable. Knowing which circuit breaker is feeding which device or area in the house is important. If you plan on any renovations, you need to know which breakers to shut off. In an emergency, it can mean preventing injury or a fire. Proper breaker labeling of the panel can be done without opening the panel cover. It can be done the old-fashioned way by turning the breaker off and seeing what devices turn off, but that's time-consuming. You have better options that will save you a lot of time, such as using a circuit breaker finder device. These devices can be found for around $70 Canadian at your nearby home improvement store. As you can see here, you have a transmitter and a receiver. The receiver is plugged into the receptacle you want to test, and you run the transmitter along each breaker in the panel. When the transmitter comes across the breaker the receptacle is connected to, the transmitter will either beep or light up. Some have accessories to expand its functions, such as this socket tester. If you have a light fixture and you want to know which breaker it's attached to, then simply connect the receiver to the accessory and replace the light bulb with it. Once you have cataloged which breakers are feeding all your devices and areas, how do you show your results on the panel? One option is to buy blank labels from Amazon, but they range from $10 to $30. And for many, you have to handwrite your results on the label. It can look rather ugly or unreadable for some if you have bad handwriting, like myself. We at Home Inspector M.D. are offering a free download of our custom panel labels in standard Microsoft Word format. It's easy to use. Most of the areas and devices are already written for you, and all you have to do is drag and drop the item to the breaker location. Now you can have a professional looking panel label that everyone can read. After you've completed your panel label, print the label on plain paper or better yet, a full page sticker label. And finally, home inspectors will report any missing, incomplete, or incorrect electrical labels. And thank you for taking the time to watch our short video on proper electrical directory labels. If you like this video, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and think about us on your next home inspection. Take care.